Hey folks, it's Mr. Patrick back with another project for Tinkers and Thinkers 2021. Now, this next one is called a dynamo. Well, what is a dynamo? Very simply, a dynamo is a generator. It takes mechanical energy and turns it into power that you could use to, say, light up an LED. All right? So, how are we going to do it? First, get your LED out and let's just connect it to this battery pack. Now, we know, right, you can light up a light with a battery, right? Let's see what happens if we connect it. If I have them pointed in the right direction, this short leg connecting to the black, this long leg connected to the red. There we go. Can you see it? It's pretty faint though, I have to admit. Connecting this AA to this LED doesn't give it a lot of oomph. Well, let's see if we can turn this motor into a dynamo, a generator, to power this LED. All right. What I'm going to do is connect the LED straight to these leads. All right. And once I have those attached, you can feel free to put a little tape there to make sure that your LED stays in place. Then we're going to take the craft stick that has the little hole drilled in the end, and we are going to slide that snugly onto one of the little pegs of our gearbox motor. Yeah, it should be pretty snug, all right? And now I have a very simple crank. Mine isn't working. Oh, if I do it in the other direction, now I've got it going. You see how much stronger that is? All right. Now you can find a couple other bits and bobs in this box to make a proper crank on your dynamo. But be aware, if you generate too much mechanical energy to power this LED, you will burn it out and the LED will be no good. And that is why we've included a little resistor in the lid of your box, all right? The resistor will limit the amount of power that you could put into that LED to make sure you don't blow it up, all right? So if you want to add this resistor into the circuit, simply attach the long stem of one side of your resistor there, and then close the circuit with your LED. All right, you can tape it up, and now you will limit the amount of flow that will go through that circuit so you don't end up blowing it out. Okay, again, you'll have to crank pretty hard to get to the limits of this LED, but I wanted you to be able to explore the power of the resistor and the power of your own mechanical energy with this dynamo. I hope you have fun. I'll see you in the next video.